Hello, my YouTubers. Oh, he's playing with his toy. Here's Beanie. He's playing on top of this cage. He's having fun chewing this toy. It's a natural toy made out of safe material and safe dye, you know, food coloring. Special for birds. Yeah. Right, Beanie? Right? There. That's his little playpen and toys hanging on the wall. Dream catchers are made quite a few years ago. Wow. Over 20 years ago, I think, or about, that's a while ago. He used to climb up those, but he hasn't. Since we've been living here, it's too, with the dog in the other room barking, I don't think he feels comfortable about wanting to do that. But it looks nice on the wall. And then I have some feather toys made out of his feathers and baby's feathers when they molt. And I picked them up. I collected them after they molt, you know, shed their feathers, and I saved them over the years. And I made these feather toys, but he hasn't played with them lately. He really likes this toy today. I'm glad he's finally interested in it. Whoops. Okay, sorry it's moving so much. Yeah, he likes that. Okay, I hope all of you were well, and we send you a lot of love, hugs, kisses, get well, prayers if needed, for whatever reason. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Thank you.